be honest, I wasn't gonna make a video about them, but for how good they look, I kind of wanted to just share with you guys. They fit pretty good, so I'm gonna show you guys how I put them on. So this is the seat part. You put these hooks on and these plastic pieces, right? You put it on, then you just literally slide these through, and then once everything is put on, you can't see them at all. Covers cover up all of it. This is what you're gonna shove through there, and then kind of, you know, fit this in. Try to make it fit as good as you can. Then you're gonna take these hooks and just find somewhere underneath your seat where you can kind of like stretch it back far enough to where it kind of pulls it and keeps it in place. All right, we got the bottom piece on. It fits good. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the top. It's gonna have the same things. You put these on the front to tuck to the back, and then they have the hooks to go to the bottom. All right, this bad boy. So this, I feel like these could fit a little bit better, especially the back ones. I wish they were full covers for the back, but they're not. Good. Good enough. All right, don't forget about the most important part. I'm joking, but it is pretty important. Make sure you tuck those in somewhere under your seat. Alrighty guys, for 120 bucks on Amazon. I did not imagine these seats to look this good. The headrests, I mean, I guess I can't be too picky for how much they cost, but overall the quality is pretty nice. That's what it looks like in the front. These actually fit pretty good. This isn't a sponsored video or anything. I bought them because my seats were kind of getting pretty trashed over the years, so got some seat covers, thought I'd get red. Didn't expect them to fit as good as they do. So yeah, link will be in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any questions, just, you know, drop a comment below.